Hi dear students, let's see this question that came in JEE Advanced Paper 2 Physics in the year 2019. This was from the topic of standing waves in the strings, and most of the students would have done this question quite comfortably. This was a passage based question, so basically we will have one more question based upon this passage. So let's see what's happening over here. There's an instrument which has 4 strings, and all the strings have different mass densities, mu, 2 mu, 3 mu, 4 mu. The length of the each string can be varied from L0 to 2L0. If you talk about string 1, then the free length, that means the length of the string is L0 for the first string, and the tension is T0, and the fundamental frequency is F0. Now there are two lists in which we can see over here. List 1 में चारों string के बारे में बात की गई है, and list 2 में we have to basically find the fundamental frequencies. We will just read this part कि जो remaining 4 strings हैं, अगर if we keep the tension T0 in remaining 4 strings as well, तो ये T0 होगा. That means T0 was the tension in the first string, and we are keeping the same tension in the remaining strings as well. Then we have to find the highest possible fundamental frequencies in terms of F0. What was F0? F0 was the fundamental frequency of the first string. Okay, and its length was L0. So we have to find the highest possible fundamental frequencies of remaining strings in terms of F0. ठीक है, so question बहुत simple है. Let's see what's happening over here. जो first string है, इसकी linear mass density mu है. Similarly, second string की linear mass density 2 mu है. थर्ड की 3 म्यू है एंड फोर्थ की 4 म्यू है, राइट. लेंथ कैन बी वेरीड फ्रॉम L0 to 2L0. नाउ फॉर द फर्स्ट स्ट्रिंग वी कैन से दैट F0 will be equals to 1 upon 2L0 into root of T0 by mu. This I'm writing for the first string because first string के लिए लेंथ L0 फिक्स्ड कर दी गई है, टेंशन T0 है. टेंशन T0 सारे स्ट्रिंग में है, राइट. इस क्वेश्चन को करने के लिए ना जस्ट डेटा प्रॉपर्ली लिख लेना था एंड दैट्स इट. बाकी क्वेश्चन वाज वेरी सिंपल. वन assumption that we are taking is that we are assuming that strings are fixed at both the ends. ठीक है, although this should have been mentioned in the question, but that is what we are assuming because generally instruments, guitar type के instruments में string is fixed on both the ends. So if naught is 1 by 2L naught into 2 T naught by mu. Now we understand that fundamental frequency is always inversely proportional to length. So if in order to maximize fundamental frequency, length of each string should be minimum. Hence we can say that length of each string should be L0 itself. तो अगर इसकी fundamental frequency की बात करें, let's call this F2. Remember F2 is not the second harmonic. F2 means the fundamental frequency of the second string. तो F2 में second string की fundamental frequency के लिए representation के लिए मैं use कर रहा हूँ. So F2 will be equals to 2 into length into root of tension upon mu, which is 2 mu. So it is easy to see कि ये वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, F0 upon root 2 हो जाएगी. सारे फ्रीक्वेंसीज को मैं F0 के टर्म्स में रिप्रेजेंट करना है, तो पहली फ्रीक्वेंसी भी F0 upon 1 हो जाएगी, मतलब F0 into 1 या 1 upon 1, whatever you want to say. Similarly, थर्ड स्ट्रिंग की फंडामेंटल फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या होगी, 1 upon 2 length into tension upon mu, which is 3 mu actually. So you can see ये कितना हो जाएगा, F0 upon root 3. Okay, similarly फोर्थ का क्या होगा, 2L0 into root of T upon 4 mu, T0 upon 4 mu. So this will be F0 upon root of 4, which is 2. Hence now if you go back to options, तो फर्स्ट का P हो जाएगा, राइट. सेकंड का 1 by root 2, that means second will be R. Third will be 1 by root 3, so third will be S, and fourth will be Q, right. Fourth will be Q. So PRSQ, PRSQ. This is the option. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. So I hope you would have understood the solution. That's it. Thank you.